Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. In the season of IPOs, there's another company who is coming up with its IPO issue, and this company's name is Heranba Limited. So Heranba Limited, you might have never heard about this company's name before, but this particular company is very popular, and this particular company is not just doing very well in the Indian market, but it's also very popular in the overseas market as well. So let's have a look at the company's overall portfolio and let's figure out whether it is a right bet to opt for the IPO or not. So without a further ado, let's head straight to the point. So first of all, let's have a look at the company's basic information, the company's basic introduction. So this company was incorporated in the year 1992 and it's a Gujarat-based crop protection chemical manufacturer, and this particular company is one of the leading companies in the sector of making cypermethrin, deltamethrin and lambda-cyhalothrin, which means this particular company is basically dealing into making herbicides, insecticides and fungicides, and basically into agriculture related products and services, which will ensure that the farmers overall process of building or growing crops becomes much more easier, much more simpler. And this particular company is very popular and has a very strong network across the Indian market also. It has close to almost 8,600 dealers across 16 states and 1 union territory in India. And not just in India, this company is also very popular in the overseas market as well, because its export market is as big as 60 countries. So this particular company basically exports its products and services into almost 60 different countries outside India as well. Talking about the company's competitive strengths, it also is something that we can watch out for, because this particular company has absolutely very good fundamentals, and when it comes to having the range of product portfolio, it has diverse range of product portfolio, right from the intermediaries to formulations and to technicals. They are into various different kinds of fields and services. Not just that, they are also very good in the domestic as well as global reach, which we have already seen in the previous slide. And along with that, they also have a very strong distribution network. 8,600 dealers across 16 states and 1 union territories is quite a big number. And not to forget, we also have a large customer base along with a very experienced promoters and the company's management. Talking about the promoters of the company, well, this particular company is run by two amazing promoters. Number one is Mr. Sadashiv K. Shetty, and number two is Mr. Raghu Ram K. Shetty. Both the siblings are taking care of the company's management, and the company has been growing phenomenally well from 1992 till today. Now let's understand what are the objectives of this particular company. If at all this company is doing so well, then why are they going out and asking people to invest in that particular company? So they have three major objectives. Number one objective is that they want to take care of the business working capital requirement. Number two is that they want to take care of the general corporate purposes, and number three is that they want to basically meet the public issue expenses. So whatever expenses they are bearing right now in order to take care of the issue, they want to pay back for that particular issue and also take care of the general management expenses via this public issue. So now let's understand how much are they trying to raise with this entire IPO. So first of all, the IPO opening date is going to be February 23rd, 2021. The closing date is going to be February 25th, 2021, and the issue type is going to be a book built issue. The face value of equity share is going to be 10 rupees per equity share. The market lot is going to be 23 market lot, which means the minimum order quantity is also 23. It's going to be listed, of course, in BSE and NSE, and the fresh issue of the share is going to be almost 60 crores, and the issue size is going to be as big as 625 crores. So now that we have understood the company's basic information and about the IPO details as well, let's now understand the company's tentative timetable as to when can you see the company getting listed on the stock market, and by when can you see your demat account being credited with this particular company's share, and what if you do not get the application approved? By when will you be able to get your money back? Let's have a look at all these details one by one. Number one, the opening date is going to be February 23rd. The closing date is going to be February 25th. The basis of allotment date is going to be March 2nd. The initiation of refund is going to happen on March 3rd. The credit of shares to demat account is going to happen on March 4th, and the IPO listing date is going to be 5th March 2021 respectively. So it's extremely necessary and extremely important that in companies like this, you need to have a look at the company's promoters holding, because most of the times what happens is that the promoters often, when they have this sense that the company is not doing phenomenally well, they try to exit the company in a very smart way by reducing their promoter holding slowly but steadily. So let's now understand the fact that if at all this particular company's promoters are also having such kind of plans, or are they holding the company's equity stake with them very solidly. Let's have a look at that. So pre-issue shareholding of the promoters is going to be 98.1%, and the post-issue is going to be 74.1%, which means the company's promoters still have faith in the company's overall portfolio, the company's overall productivity, and eventually they also want to grow with the company. So they are still holding the company's equity stake, which means that it's going to be a very beneficial investment for you and me as well. If at all you're going for listing gains, or if at all you're holding it for long term, it's up to you. But looks like the company's promoters still have faith in the company's overall portfolio. Now let's understand what is the minimum amount and the maximum amount that you will have to shell out from your pocket in order to have the hold or the custody of the company's shares. So the minimum amount that you'll have to shell out from your pocket is going to be 14,421 rupees for one lot, which means 23 shares, and the maximum that you can apply as an individual is going to be 13 lots, which means 299 shares, which means the amount that you'll have to shell out from your pocket is going to be 1,87,473 rupees. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And if at all you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming and business, don't forget to subscribe to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel and also download the Financial Freedom app. The link of this app is provided in the description box. And if at all you download the app today itself, you'll be able to claim a scholarship of up to rupees 2,000 absolutely free. Yes, 2,000 worth rupees of benefits are waiting for you. All you have to do is just download the app and use my promo code Fayaz, which is coming on the screen right now, and you'll be able to enjoy all the benefits, and you'll be able to learn much more about career building, farming and business in the most lucid manner possible. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if at all you have any suggestions, any feedbacks, do leave them in the comment section and help us improve. And until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.